In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive Autosave. Whether you're freeing up space or simply want to manage your files differently, turning off OneDrive Autosave can be a useful step. Let's walk through the process together to ensure you have complete control over how your files are saved. To begin, the first thing you need to do is locate the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen where time and date information is displayed. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to click on the small arrow pointing upwards to reveal hidden icons. Once you have located the OneDrive icon, click on it to bring up a menu. In this menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Help and Settings. Clicking on Help and Settings will display another menu with various choices. From this menu, select the Settings option. Navigating to Settings will open a new window where you can make changes to your OneDrive configuration. In the Settings window, you should see several tabs at the top. Look for the one labeled Sync and Backup and click on it. This is where you'll be able to manage how and where your files are being saved and synchronized. Under the Sync and Backup tab, find the option that says Manage Backup. Clicking this will bring up a list of folders that are currently being synced to OneDrive. Now here's where you get to make the important decisions about which folders you want to stop syncing automatically. You'll see a selection of folders, each with a toggle switch next to it. To turn off autosave for these folders, switch the toggle to the off position. This action tells OneDrive to stop automatically backing up the contents of those particular folders. After you've toggled all desired folders off, the next essential step is to click on Stop Backup. This confirms your decision to halt the automatic saving of these files to OneDrive. Once you've made these changes, it's crucial to save them. So you'll want to click Close to exit the settings window and ensure your choices are implemented. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the autosave feature in OneDrive. Remember, turning off autosave doesn't delete any files already stored in the cloud. It just stops future files from being automatically saved. You can always revisit these settings if you change your mind, or want to adjust which folders are included in your OneDrive backups. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helped you take charge of your file management needs. As always, feel free to leave comments below if you have additional questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.